Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today it's not gonna make sense. I don't know why I did this, but we're playing hardcore in creative mode. I don't know why. It just doesn't make sense. I know you guys are gonna be, Ava, why don't you try it without it? Like, why do you have to do creative mode? Because I'm gonna die first thing. That's why. That's why. Oh, shoot. Alright, there we go. Oh, it's this brown. Oh, you're kidding me. It's lagging. Do you see that? There we go. Let's try now. Oh, I found a mountain. Say, let's see. What do they have? Spawn eggs. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Is there? Oh, it's got a bee nest. Oh. Here, let's put one on this tree. One on, just on a bunch of bees. Oh wait, I can just get honey. Whoopsies. Do you hear that? Listen. I don't like that. What should we make tonight? I know what. We're in training mode. Let's just sit down. Oh, we found coal. Nice. We found iron. That means there's a cave nearby. More iron. Sorry. Stick down. Redstone. Cave. Once we reach bedrock, oh my gosh, we have 20,560 more to go. Still building up. I just realized. Oh, we're almost down. Let's get some dirt. Let's get a grass block. How about that? How do you get a Wait, what if I get bedrock? And then I just build a huge tower. Like a huge tower. Oh, but there's a height limit. Whatever, we'll break the laws. Fly me to the moon, let me fly on the sun. God has a cut G. Here's my big bag. Stay home. Speed. Motion. Oh. Oh my god, she does 9 attack damage. Hey yo, watch your jet. I like Kit J. Alright. If you guys didn't know this video, I know it was like 4 or 5, or no, like I started at 350. So a 10-minute video. Yeah, guys. Bye. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure like, subscribe, turn the post notifications, and click all because so you won't miss out on any of my videos I post. I'll start posting twice a week now. So I don't know the days. It'll be random days that I actually have time for them. I might post once a week, but that's gonna be because I'm busy. That's okay, right? Alright, bye guys!